Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to put your motorcycle on a Pitbull stand by yourself. I'm a beginner myself, so it took me a little while to figure this out. I always thought I was going to drop the bike, but here you go. It's easier if you kind of center your handlebars, not to the left, but to the middle like that. Then most seats have a grip in the back or just some kind of solid area to grab it. If you're going to tip the bike in any direction, tip it towards you on the left side with the stand down so you don't have to fall over. So I usually just grip it right here. I get my Pitbull stand, I line it up, if you can see a little bit there. You can see this side is a little high, so I go lower. Once I have it kind of in place, tip it to the middle. Takes a little bit of strength, it's easier on a starter bike. Go ahead and line it up on that side, and line it up on this side, and make sure you tip it enough so they're both straight. It's always good to check that they're both in the middle of the prongs like that. And easy with the Pitbull stands, you just apply downward pressure. Make sure your bike is in neutral, or in first actually is fine too, so it doesn't roll back. But I like to have it in neutral because it's pretty light. And there you have it. I usually leave this down just in case. You're good to go.